एप्पल का क्या रेट है?
160 चल रहा है इसका। ऊपर का है ये 220 का।
किसका 160? ये वाला 160, वो वाला 120।
120 का मिल जाएगा आपके लिए, 160 से कम नहीं चल रहा।
In India, the rate of Apple is too high, whether it's a fruit or an iPhone. But today we are going to talk about iPhone 13 Pro and we will understand whether it's good for beginner filmmakers or not. You might be wondering why only 13 Pro, why not 13 Pro Max or iPhone 13 or iPhone Mini? Well, the thing is iPhone 13 Pro Max is little bit heavy. It's longer in size, bigger in size, and it is not convenient to carry it everywhere. While iPhone 13 has all the bells and whistles which iPhone 13 Pro Max has. Talking about the iPhone 13 and Mini, I think those don't have the pro features what we can use for the filmmaking purpose. Having said that, I completely agree that iPhone 13 and Mini are two completely fantastic phones. So without wasting any more time, we'll just jump right into the iPhone 13 Pro thoughts. And I have divided my thoughts into three categories. One is for feature, convenience and cost. And after that, we will also talk about some of the shortcomings of this iPhone 13 Pro. It can shoot 10-bit HDR video. It can shoot ultra-wide, zoom and newly added macro. It has the new cinematic mode, which is nothing but the focus tracking in regular DSLR or mirrorless cameras. And we'll also talk about its ProRes shooting capability. Well, if you don't have any idea about ProRes, I'll try to brief you. It's a highly compressed video codec developed by Apple itself. What it does, like, it actually helps video editing much faster. Usually the editing software, what it does, like, it uncompress the video then let you edit them. But if you shoot in ProRes, it's actually already uncompressed and it will not take much time to transcode them and edit them. So it will take less time if you shoot with ProRes while editing, but the file size will be bigger. I know it's a little bit over the top, but if you want to learn more about the ProRes thing, we'll keep a link in the description. You can go there and see the video. I know there are many other pro features which iPhone 13 Pro has, but I would use these pro features if I am going to buy this one for filmmaking purpose. Okay, hands down, when it comes to convenience, iPhone 13 Pro is a big margin as compared to your DSLR or mirrorless cameras. You can take it anywhere, use it in slight rain as it comes with IP68 ratings. And in many tourist places, you are not actually allowed to bring your big pro cameras, whereas you can easily get away with iPhone 13 Pro because it's small and it has an excellent camera. The iPhone 13 Pro comes with a price tag of 1,19,900 INR, which seems to be pricey. But when you compare it with your DSLR price, it's not much. At least the features it comes with. Okay, we just talked about all the good features of iPhone 13 Pro has. But remember, there is not a single camera or a phone which has zero flaws. So therefore, it also has some. Flaw number one, you cannot change the lens of an iPhone while you can do the same with your DSLR or mirrorless cameras, which is fun. You have so much freedom to shoot. Flaw number two, it has a smaller sensor size, which is actually not a good thing or a bad thing for many of us, but if you compare it with the DSLR or mirrorless cameras, the image quality will definitely differ. Flaw number three, you cannot shoot video with log or flat profile yet. You can do that, of course, using a third-party application called Filmic Pro. I often use that, but this is something you should keep in mind. Flaw number four, well, there is no flaw number four, for me at least. So answering the question, if you want iPhone 13 Pro as a beginner filmmaker, so the answer is yes and no. The thing is, if you are starting out as a beginner filmmaker and you think it can fit in your pocket and budget, then go ahead and do it. But if you are really interested to expand your filmmaking career, then I would suggest go for a real camera, real DSLR. I think DSLR is nowadays obsolete. Maybe you can go for a real mirrorless camera because it actually serves your purpose for a long time. And trust me, you are going to need it. So at the end of this video, I really want to know your thoughts on these newly released iPhones, whether they are pro or they are not, agree, disagree to my thoughts, just comment me in the below section and we can have a discussion. I'm also available in Instagram, go there and follow me and DM me. We'll have a also discussion on my thoughts, your thoughts. Okay, and if you really like this video, you know the drill.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake game, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.